Hi, I'm Rachel, and this week we're featuring the Bamboo Belly Bandit. It's an abdominal compression belt, and it's for use post-pregnancy. You can actually use this as early as 24 to 48 hours after you give birth. You'd like to use it as long as you want, really, but recommended at least 8 to 12 weeks. The idea is that it slims and tightens your tummy back to your pre-pregnancy size. The other thing about it is it relieves back pressure and takes weight off of your legs. I think you can hear Nicole talking all about it. She loves the Belly Bandit for her mom. It's $65.99. It's sold here at the Motherhood Center. And the one we sell is the bamboo version, which is really great because it's eco-friendly. It's made of 100% bamboo, so it's moisture wicking. And it's just breathable, comfortable in this Texas heat. And you can buy it here or on our website at www.motherhoodcenter.com.